Oh, another one I want to ask you, because I want to know about best in class. So when manufacturers introduce new product, they have to, of course, push it out to distribution. They have to push it out as well to manufacturing reps. So what's the best way, or what's best in class you've seen a manufacturer actually educating manufacturing reps?
Actually, just in the past couple of years, we've had multiple manufacturers who will come to the reps and ask, hey, we're thinking about, making this variation of a component, or we're thinking about, this brand new product, right?
Yeah.
And they kind of gauge, within our customer base, do we have some target customers for that? Before the designs even started, you can know, hey, we've got 10 potential customers we previously didn't have a solution for that I think that we can introduce that to. So that I think is really cool, and it kind of makes you feel valued as a rep.
You're like a soundboard, right? You're actually a part of the design. No, but yeah, it's another kind of value, which also I'm sure is building a stronger relationship to that manufacturer.
Absolutely, yeah. And I mean, and once it comes out, we've done, data sheets and a web profile and stuff is great, but the training, whether it's, a Teams call, or I just did an in-person training, here's a power supply that's best in class, so it's going to be the quietest 1U module, and go through, we learn the technical aspects, then we go out to the lab, and you get to watch this power supply under a load, and see how quiet it is. And then you have a decibel meter there, and you kind of get to see. So
it's the hands-on, right? Because
the hands-on again.
Yeah, and it gives you like another kind of memory that you actually sticks with you. Yeah.
Exactly. And the more, I mean, like I said, that hands-on gets you more comfortable with it, and the more comfortable you are with the product, the more likely you are to bring it up, right?
Yeah. If you like Leadership in Manufacturing podcast, don't forget to subscribe, rate, and share the show wherever you get your podcast. You can follow Sannah Vinding and Leadership in Manufacturing on Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube. Make sure to check our website. It's called leadershipinmanufacturing.com. Stay curious, keep learning. See you next time.